Jen. Jen.
What?
Look.
What's that? No.
Michelle. Jaylee. Ava. Going her bread.
Oh,
Jaylee, why don't you jump in? I already jumped in 2 times. Hey, my name's Haley.
did you have fun?
Yeah. I gotta color my pink.
And she's feet in the water.
Did you have fun peeing in the water? She's like, huh? Did you have fun peeing in the water?
I'm already buzzing. 1 beer. Haven't drank all week.
2018. Been a while. But this year we got to come and hang out with y'all. It's been since Jacob was little. Like 2 days.
Yeah.
I'm a tugboat.
Yeah. The little,
I'm a tugboat.
the little what?
I like Jacob.
Say hi.
Jacob. Look at me. I want to be
What? You got him tied up?
No, he wants his life jacket.
Yeah.
I want to be on the boat.
Thank you, everybody. You didn't lose that in the river, man. Why is he mad?
Where's his life jacket?
Where's his life jacket at? Oh, but he wants to go swimming.
And I told him I'm not getting in the water.
Hey, Dad. You want your life jacket? Okay, then. Look at Jake on it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! What? This is live.
What is life?
That means it's
Right.
look at me!
It is cold.
She's
Get up.
Why, Haley, please? When? Like now? No. You pee in the rain. I pee in water. I pee in water. Oh, I pee in water. I'm out of here. Did you say yellow? Call me. Yep. I go back. All right, what are you wanting to do with this?
Get a rope. There's a rope right there. There we. Oh, tell him to get it. Hold it.
Hey, I'm gonna show him. Hey, babe, don't worry about
Oh, ahí la traen. They're bringing her. You're gonna get off?
Get in.